Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do face mesh detection using MediaPipe in NextJS application. Now you don't have to use NextJS, you can use any web framework which you want to. First of all, I will show you the output. So if I have this photo, and if I click on the identify button, here you can see it is able to detect the mesh, face mesh. There is one more thing which I wanted to show you, but I'm not able to figure it out. So if you see this sample app from Google themselves, I'm using the same photo. They were also able to detect this cheek, left cheek puff, all this kind of stuff. I look outright, but I was not able to detect it. For some reason I'm just getting an empty array, but anyways I'm able to at least detect the face mesh. And here you can see that you can go to this documentation of face LandMark detection web, and over here you will able to see the particular sample code as well. So if you go over here, you can able to see the sample code. Now I will be following this documentation. So first I have created a NextJS application. Next, inside package.json I have added this MediaPipe task vision dependency. So install this MediaPipe task vision dependency. Once you install this dependency, I just go inside page.tsx, and here I am using this use client directive because all pages inside NextJS are server side render or static rendered, but I want this to be client render. That's why I'm using this. This is not related to MediaPipe, this is just a NextJS thing. And I have added all these imports from MediaPipe task vision and use effect use ref from React. Then I have created one variable for face LandMarker, one for image ref and one for canvas ref, and inside use effect I'm just initializing our vision. So here you can see I'm just passing this URL for initializing this file set resolver for vision task. Then I'm passing this vision inside face LandMarker create from options, and inside the model asset path I'm just passing this model asset path. So you can find this in the documentation itself. Next I have just taken one div, and inside that I have taken another div of position relative, and here you can see I'm not using the NextJS image component. The reason is that MediaPipe does not work with it. I'm not sure whose issue it is, like whether it is an issue from the NextJS image component or whether it is from MediaPipe. That's why I have to use the normal img tag, and here you can just pass the URL of your image, and I have added one ref to it, and I have added some style as well of 800 by 600. And here I have also added a canvas whose position is absolute. I have defined width, height, and over here as well, and left on top are 0. Next, on button click, so if you don't want to assign this height, hardcode this height, you can use something like this as well. That's why I have kept this. So your way, and you can also assign this height programmatically as well using something like canvasref.current.style, and you can assign each and every one of them as well. In case if you don't know the images width and height in advance, and to get the image width and height, you can also use imageref.current.width or imageref.current.height, something like that. But just for simplicity sake, I have hard coded it. And on button click, I'm just checking whether the image ref is not equal to null, and same for face LandMarker. And then I'm just calling the detect method of face LandMarker, and if the results are greater than 0, then I'm also checking if canvasref and canvasref.current is also not equal to null. Then we are getting the context, 2D context from our canvas, and here we are just initializing our drawing utils, and just we are looping over it. And here I have just this copy pasted this from documentation. So this is how you can draw the face mesh. You can change the color if you want to whatever you feel like. Okay, and here I was telling you, right, this blend shapes, these all things, so these all things I was not able to print. So this is the code for it. I'm not sure why. In case if you know, do let me know in the comments. But this is how you draw a face mesh on an image using MediaPipe and NextJS. So yeah, I think that should be it. So here is the button for identify. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.